Celsius Network Pricing explained what you get for your money. Celsius Network is a crypto lending and borrowing platform, but most people get this wrong by assuming high fees eat into returns. The surprising truth is that Celsius offers interest-earning accounts with no fees for deposits or withdrawals, making it a standout for passive crypto income. Users can earn up to 12% APY on certain stablecoins, with interest paid weekly. For Bitcoin and Ethereum, rates are slightly lower, but still competitive compared to traditional banks. Celsius also allows borrowing against crypto holdings, with interest rates starting around 1% per month, depending on the asset and loan-to-value ratio. Unlike many lenders, Celsius charges no origination fees or hidden costs. One little-known advantage is that rewards are higher if paid in Celsius native token. For example, a user depositing 0 INUS could earn 9% APY in fiat or up to 12% APY if choosing Cel rewards. This flexibility allows users to optimize returns based on their risk tolerance. The surprising truth is that many casual investors overlook the compounding effect. Depositing 0 in a stablecoin at 10% APY could grow to over 0 in just 12 months without trading or taking on market risks. Most people underestimate how valuable this passive income can be. In conclusion, Celsius Network provides a fee-free, high-yield crypto savings and borrowing platform. By understanding interest rates, reward structures, and token options, users can make their crypto work efficiently. For anyone looking to earn or borrow crypto with transparency and no hidden fees, Celsius offers excellent value for your money.